Welcome back to another video. I'm AJ from Savory Thoughts, and today we are going to make a delicious French onion soup. Yes, it is simple to make and you can do it at home. For the most part, if you've ever had this dish, it was probably at a restaurant. So you don't have to waste your time at a restaurant to have restaurant quality French onion soup. You can do it at home. It's actually a lot simpler than you might think. Get some red onions and some sweet onions, and let's go ahead and slice them. Next, let's mince our garlic. Don't be shy when it comes to the butter that is used. The fat is what you utilize to obtain all the flavor. So a stick of butter is used in this recipe. Melt it, and then you add your onions to saute it in the butter. Add the garlic, and with the onion and butter mixture, this is what's gonna bring you that beautiful oniony, garlicky, buttery taste into your onion soup. Let's add a little bit of flour so it could give you a nice consistency. And make sure that all the ingredients are well combined and incorporated in your pan. Add in your sherry vinegar. And of course, continue to stir to make sure that the ingredients are well mixed in. Next, let's go ahead and add our vegetable stock, your bouquet garni, and don't forget to stir it all in. Add the salt and pepper to taste, cover, and let it cook. Be able to smell the aroma of all the ingredients once you open that cover. Make sure that everything is well incorporated and boiled together, and you'll be ready to serve it. And now you can toast a good French baguette with sprinkled cheese, preferably Gruyere cheese due to this nice smoky flavor. Perfect addition for your French onion soup. And voila, restaurant quality meal right here in your kitchen. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, leave us a comment, tell us if you've made it, how you've enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.